Yeah, hi friends. So we have already seen these things. We have seen the pattern of phase 1 for NABARD. We have seen the cutoffs, both sectional as well as overall, for grade A as well as grade B of NABARD. We have seen the pattern of phase 2 for grade A as well as grade B, that is assistant manager and manager of NABARD, right? So now we'll be seeing the cutoffs for phase 2. The cutoffs for phase 2. Now in 2016, notification came out for a total of 115 vacancies. Out of these, there were 100 vacancies for grade A and there were 15 vacancies for grade B. Now this is the pattern of examination for grade A as far as phase 2 is concerned. So it consists of two papers. One is the descriptive paper on English. The second paper is on ESI plus ARD, that is economics and social issues and agriculture and rural development. Both these papers are held online. Each paper is of 100 marks and 90 minutes of time is allotted for each paper. Now if we talk about grade B, then apart from these two papers of English and ESI and ARD, there is a third paper which is called the paper on statistics, economics and finance and management. So there is analytical paper on developmental economics, statistics and finance and management. It is again of 100 marks and 90 minutes duration. So two papers remaining the same. This third paper is extra for grade B in the phase 2 of NABARD examination. Now let us see the cutoff for phase 2 for the year 2016. Let's see. As far as the cutoff for grade A, that is assistant manager, is concerned, for all the reserved categories, for the first paper, that is the DP stands for descriptive paper on English, right? So DP here stands for English paper, the descriptive paper. The cutoff for the reserved categories was 56.5 marks out of 100 marks, and the cutoff for the second paper is ESI plus ARD, that is economics and social issues plus agriculture and rural development combined. So out of a total of 100 marks, the cutoff was 45.25 for the reserved categories, and the same thing for general category was 60.5 for the English paper and 50 marks for the second paper on ESI and ARD. Kindly note that there is sectional cutoff for both the papers. There is sectional cutoff. So there is an overall cutoff and sectional cutoff for phase 1 as well as phase 2. Now for phase 2, the sections mean 2 papers for grade A and 3 papers for grade B. The 2 papers being English and ESI plus ARD for grade A, and English, ESI plus ARD, and the paper on economy, stats, finance and management for grade B. So this is a very important point. Now as far as grade B is concerned, for the reserved categories and for the first paper on English, the descriptive paper on English, the cutoff was 59.25 out of 100. Economics and social issues and ARD combined, the cutoff was 49.50 out of 100, and for the third paper, that is the analytical paper, the cutoff was only 21.75 marks out of 100. So this was the toughest paper out of these three, and the cutoff was just 21.75 marks out of a total of 100 marks for the reserved categories. And these are the cutoffs for the general category. Kindly note that there is a cutoff of 63 marks for English paper out of 100. So you have to lay emphasis on English paper. You don't have to just keep the English paper on the back burner. You have to lay equal emphasis on the English paper as well. As far as ESI and ARD paper is concerned, the cutoff in 2016 was 54 marks and just 26 marks for the analytical paper on economy, stats and finance and management. So these are the cutoffs for phase 2 for grade A and grade B for the reserved categories and for the general category. Now let's see further. This is the overall cutoff. Now in the previous slide we have seen the sectional cutoffs or the paper wise cutoff, and here is the overall cutoff. Now as far as grade A is concerned, there are two papers. worth 100 marks each, so a total of 200 marks. For grade B there are 3 papers, 100, 100, 100, a total of 300 marks. Now for the general category, out of a total of 200 marks, the cutoff was 125.75. Now this is the overall cutoff. And for the general category, out of a total of 300 marks, for grade B, the overall cutoff was 159.25. Now these are the figures for the reserved categories, be it SC, ST, OBC, right, or PH. So these are the cutoffs. You can see the values here. Now this sign or the blank indicates that no one was able to qualify here, right? So there is no cutoff. Now this I have already told in a previous video that as far as 2016 examination is concerned, around 2600 candidates were shortlisted for phase 2, and out of these around 500 were shortlisted for the interview post, and ultimately around 100 people got the post, right? 110 people got the post, and out of a total of 380 candidates who were shortlisted for the phase 2 examination, 75 candidates were called for interview for the grade B post. So these are the interview centers. I have already talked about this in the previous video. Do visit our website edutap.co.in. We have created a free course for NABARD. We have also placed all the PDFs for free download. You can just sign up for free on this website edutap.co.in, and you will be able to download all the PDFs for free. Those PDFs contain the pattern, the cutoff, the eligibility conditions, right, how to prepare for NABARD, how to prepare. All these PDFs are available. You will be able to download, and there is sample material as well. So we are launching the course for for NABARD grade A, and the sample material is available on this website. Also subscribe to our channel by the name of EduTap, and you can view all the videos. If you have any query, you want to write us a mail, kindly write us a mail on these two email IDs. You can choose any one. One is learnofy@gmail.com and the second is crackrbi@gmail.com. In the next video, we'll be talking about the eligibility conditions. Now there was a lot of confusion last year, right, because NABARD came out with a different set of eligibility conditions, and after the notification the eligibility conditions were changed. So we'll see that what happened in 2016 and what was the eligibility condition till 2015. So in the next video we'll talk about that. Thank you.